Metered dose inhalers are used by typically like asthma sufferers. It is critically important that the patient has a full can when they go to use it.
The pharmaceutical manufacturers manufacture these inhaler cans in phenomenal volumes. At the moment they are only batch tested, so if we get one failure of the can in a big batch, then the whole batch is scrapped, which obviously is a huge amount of wastage.
The client wanted to move towards 100% testing of all cans being manufactured. We felt that we needed a puck system whereby the MDI is contained totally within the puck, and that puck retains all of the gas leakage. The gas is heavier than air, so it goes towards the bottom of the puck to give the instrument the maximum amount possible of gas leakage. And we are talking here of micrograms of leakage.
Once the cans are contained within the pucks are transported round through a tunnel which seals the system. So we detect where the puck is, we trigger the analyzer to take a sample. On the outfeed conveyor, there is a reject station, so only good cans leave the system.
This technology allows those companies to test every single can during production, which means that we're only going to reject the can that's at fault, which means a massive saving for the pharmaceutical companies.
There is a big benefit of highlighting issues with the production process upstream of the machine if there's multiple rejects.
We needed to be able to collect pucks from the conveyor at 180 a minute, present them into moving pucks, collect the MDIs from the moving pucks and place them onto a moving outfeed conveyor. The synchronization is critical because these cans are unstable, and unless we can synchronize the speeds absolutely precisely, then the cans will topple.
It's crucial that we have accuracy and repeatability of position control, which is why we selected Mitsubishi Electric.
The components that have been used on this machine are obviously the robots. We have two of our SCARA 4-axis pick-and-place robots. They're both integrated onto a common Mitsubishi Q-Series PLC backplane. On top of that, the front end of the machine is an industrial PC with our MAPS, which is our version of SCADA software, which is doing the data analysis, etc., and talking to the gas analyzer. These products are ideally suited to this application because we're looking for high repeatability, reliability, high accuracy, and an integrated suite of products that works together.
It's been a pleasure working with Mitsubishi Electric. We had a liaison engineer that we could contact any time. It gave us the confidence that they were working towards the solution with us as a partner.
We've carried out extensive running of the machine. The client, we believe, is extremely happy with the performance of the machine, and we understand that the detection rates are something like 30 times better than was previously being obtained.